In this other world of the heart, may storms still grip its wing and make its talons shine. May the air be split for heartfall by a reckless squall's sheer plunge. And may a single, sudden, endless breath still empty the sky of all reason. But now, may the sea and sky forge a deeper current than before for heart's flight. And when the knots of blood seize and grind through its dark vein, may the heart fly now, where a world of sky glimpsed behind clouds is dazzled by light from a new sun. May now the heart fly in a broken rhythm we do not know and cannot fear.